Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that.
This is Emily Ann Davis in Fishersville, Virginia. Virginia Heating and Air is very professional. They provided an excellent quote and quickly and efficiently repaired our heat pump. Thanks, Virginia Heating and Air.
And we'd love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. We are glad you had a chance to come visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.